Unitary method. Okay, let's understand this new chapter where we'll understand about unitary method. So you must be wondering, what is this unitary method all about? Right? Unitary, which means a unit. Okay, it is made up of these two terms. Let us take an example here. Let's say you went to the market. Okay, when you went to the market to buy bananas, okay, you asked the fruit seller, what is the rate of bananas? Right? The fruit seller said, this is rupees 30 per dozen. Right? But when you were going to the market, your mother told you, go and get 18 bananas. Okay? Now, the question which came up was, well, I need 18 bananas, right? The price is 30 per dozen, and a dozen comprises basically of 12 units. So 12 bananas. So how do I calculate the price of 18? Right? So one thing is, you try and see what is the relative fraction between these two. What is the proportion between these two? Okay? In which case, what you would have done is, you would say, okay, 12 bananas are worth rupees 30. What I need to do is I need to buy more bananas. So maybe if it is 30, the new proportion that I need to buy is 18. Okay? And the price that these 30 carries is 12. Okay, but this would have been kind of a hit and trial kind of a thing. 2, 3. 2 will go into this 15 times. 15 times 3 gives you 45. Another method which is commonly used in such situation is the unitary method. Now in unitary method, what happens is you find the value of one unit. Okay? So you might be given some variable. Let's say, for example, in this case, you were told the price of 12 bananas. Okay, and you have to find for 18. So what you will do is, you will first find the price of one banana. So you will say, okay, for 12 bananas, right, I have to pay 30 bucks, right? What if I buy only one banana? The price of 30 is, sorry, the price of 12 is 30. So obviously the price of one banana is how much? That is going to be 30 divided by 12. Right? Let's divide both of them by 6. So I get 5 here and 2 here. 2 does not go into 5 directly. So we divide 5 by 2 and we will get 2.50. Right? So you have to pay rupees 2.50, or maybe whatever currency that could be. Obviously, a banana does not cost $2.5. But what I achieved here is I got the price of one banana at 2.50. Right? Now, how many bananas did the mother ask you to get? 18. Now, you know one banana costs you 2.5. So obviously, 18 bananas is going to cost you how much? The price of one banana, price of 1 into 18, right? And we are assuming there are no discounts as you purchase more bananas, which is nothing but 2.50 into 18, which is 45, right? Now if you notice, even here you got 45, but this stage you will reach once you have a command on this. Right? Now this also gives us an important concept, which is that of direct variation. Direct variation in a unitary method, let me just clean this off. This poor chap has been covered by so many lines. Direct variation in case of a unitary method means that the price or the variable or the quantity, whatever it might be, the variables increase directly, which means as the number of banana increased from 1 to 12, the price increased from 2.5 to 30. When price increased from number of bananas increased from 12 to 18, the price increased from 30 to 45, right? But in case of direct variation, please note that whatever are the two variable quantities, let's say the one is P and the other one is Q. In that case, P upon Q is always constant. Now what does this mean? This means you can take the number of bananas and the price. Okay, let's say in this case the price of 12 bananas was 30 upon 12. When you divide 30 by 12, you will get 2.50, right? This was the case of 12 bananas. For 1, 2.50 divided by 1, again 2.50. For 18, 45 upon 45 divided by 18, 2.50. So whatever be the value of P, which is the price in this case, total price, whatever be the value of Q, which is number of bananas, P upon Q will always remain constant. Okay, and it is called that they are in direct variation, right? We will touch about indirect variation in a subsequent example where I will give you the facts and everything to understand what is the indirect variation in unitary method.